morning everyone. A very warm welcome to one and all present here. I am Aryan and he is my co-partner Ronak Kumar. We are welcome you to the most awaited and most exciting day of our school's weeks. No Bags Day. Yes, today is not just break from heavy backpacks, but a celebration of creativity, fun, learning and pure joy. So get ready for lots of music, lots of smiles and enjoyment.
Speech.
This is a class student of class 9. Firstly, I want to say thanks to our school management because they conduct a no bags day on every Saturday and give us chance to speak. Today, I want to talk about something that we all experience and try to avoid, that is failure. It is the word that makes us feel disappointed, embarrassed, or even hopeless. But what if I told you that failure is not the end of the story? It is
सुप्रभात आप सभी को। मेरा नाम मामून अशरफ है और आज मैं आप सभी को सपनों की उड़ान के बारे में कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ। अगर हमें उड़ान भरना है तो हमें कभी भी असफलता से डरना नहीं होगा। एक बार अब्दुल कलाम सर ने कहा था, सपना वो नहीं है जो नींद में आता है, सपना वो है जो नींद आने नहीं देता। हम भले ही छोटे हैं, लेकिन हम अपने सपनों को ऊंचा देख सकते हैं। अगर हम आज से ही सोचे, सीखे और मेहनत करें तो दुनिया की कोई भी ताकत हमें सफलता होने से रोक नहीं सकती है।
From class 10. Today I want to talk about something that I believe is very important in our life. We have a tendency to compare ourselves with others. We look at someone's success, their potential and their achievement. We start feeling like we are not good enough. But let me tell you, comparison is the game of law because there will be always someone who is more passionate, more successful and more talented than you. So the truth is everyone has their own unique journey, everyone has their own path to follow and everyone has their own strength and weakness.
Good morning everyone, this is a Pallavi from class 10. Today I am delivering a speech on self-improvement. We know that we live in a world where change is a constant. We live in a world where world is a evolving, world is a revolving day by day. When you choose standing still, then we choose the falling on the path, then we choose the path of a failure. So, self-improvement is not a choice, it's a necessity for your life. Every day give us a brand new chance to become a stronger, to become a wiser, to become a humble and become a good-hearted man.
Is standing in front of you from class 9 to deliver a speech on the most important topic that affect each and every one of us, the importance of time utilizing. Time is one of the most precious gift we have. Unlike money or possession, time cannot be regained once lost. Every second we lost is the moment we lost forever. That's why learning to utilize time is not just a habit, but it's a life skill. Think about it. We all get 24 hours, but what makes a man successful is how he or she utilizes its 24 hours.
We all know that India is a diverse or democratic country rich in tradition, heritage or value, yet many youngsters forgetting our own culture and adopting a Western culture. Many of them feel awkward or shy in speaking Hindi or speak English or English is considered as a sign of modern or educated, but while those who speak Hindi are considered as less intelligent. But this mindset is not only unfair but also harmful to our culture's identity. Yes, it's good to learn and adopt, but not at the cost of losing who we are. My dear friends, being a part of this generation is a gift but also a responsibility.
Dear friends, myself Lucky Kumari of class 10. Today I am here to talk about something that plays a big role in our lives. The power of youth in building a better tomorrow. Who are the youth? We are the young generations, teenagers, students and the young adults. We have the full energy and creativity and courage. So always remember that we are not only the future of the country. We are not only the future of the country, we are also the strength of the present. So youth is the only spark that can light up by the world. It is quoted by Swami Vivekananda. Why is youth so powerful? Because youth has fresh thoughts, restless minds, and the desire to change the world. And when a young mind believes in something, it can become unstoppable. And our role in today's world, the world is facing many problems: climatic change, inequality, war, and hate. But we, the youth, have the power to stand up and say, enough. Let's build a better world so we can speak against the wrong things, help others, and be kind, and create our new ideas using the new technologies.
Good morning, everyone, respected principal, teacher, parents, and all my dear friends. My name is Aradhya Kumar. I wish you very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is a national festival. It's celebrated 15 August. This day we are celebrating 78th Independence Day of country. It is very important day for us. Independence Day teach us unity. We hoist our national flag. We sing our national anthem together. Our Prime Minister gave us a speech. We proud and love for our country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. To all of you, my name is Avisman from class 4. Today is my speech on education. Education gives us knowledge. Education teaches us lesson of humanity. Education develops meaning, outlook on life. Education highlight the human talent. That's all. Thank you. To you all, I am Nityanan from standard 2. I am going to a small speech on my country. My country name is India. It is very beautiful country. Now, India is democratic country. My country became freedom from British rule on the 15th August 1947. There are 28 states and 7 union territories in India. There are many kinds of people live in India. That's all. Thank you.